Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Fisch account is verified and funding is available. Enable two-factor authentication for safety. Next, choose the asset and enter the exact quantity you want to trade in, then pick a term length like 30 or 90 days so you control liquidity. Once done, inspect the estimated return percentage and clearly labeled fees. Make sure minimum lockup and early exit penalties match your plan before you confirm the trade-in. You now execute the trade-in by choosing fixed rate for predictability or variable rate if you prefer market-linked returns. This affects when payouts occur, like daily or weekly. After submission, monitor the order status, pending, active, or maturing, and set alerts so you don't miss key dates. If you need to change course, cancel, or modify within the platform's allowed window. Just be aware that early exits apply and can reduce your net proceeds significantly, so calculate penalties first. You complete the process by withdrawing matured funds to your linked bank or choosing auto-roll into a new trade-in. Confirm the payout currency and destination to avoid conversion losses. Then reconcile your transaction history and export CSV or tax statements for record keeping. If something goes wrong, like delayed payout or mismatched amount, first check network confirmations and status codes, then contact Fisch support with the trade ID, timestamps, and screenshots.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.